Hello friends, myself Bhavan Jha. Today I have these topics from class 11th biology. These are very important for class as well as medical competitive exams. Today's topics for discussion are position of floral parts on thalamus from chapter 5 and epithelial tissue in animals from chapter 7. First topic is position of floral parts on thalamus. Based on position of calyx, corolla and androecium in respect of the ovary on thalamus, flowers are three types. First one is hypogynous, second is perigynous and third one is epigynous. Hypogynous. In hypogynous flower, gynoecium occupies highest position while other parts are situated below it. Ovary in such flowers is called superior. Example, mustard, China rose and brinjal. We can say MCB, mustard, China rose and brinjal. Second one is perigynous. In perigynous flower, gynoecium is situated in center and other parts of flowers are located on the rim of thalamus, almost at the same level. Ovary in such flowers is called half inferior. Example, plum, peach and rose, that is PPR. Next one is epigynous. In epigynous flower, the margin of thalamus grows upward, enclosing ovary and getting fused with it. The other parts of flower arise above ovary. Such ovary is called inferior. Examples are guava, cucumber and ray florets of sunflower, that is GCRS. Next topic is epithelial tissue in animals from chapter 7th, that is structural organization in animals. Animal tissues are four types: epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue and neural tissue. Epithelial tissue. It is also known as epithelium. It has free surface facing either body fluid or outside, so provide covering or lining to the body parts. Epithelial tissues are two types: simple and compound epithelial tissue. In simple epithelial tissue, it is composed of single layer of cells, whereas compound is made up of two or more layers of cells. Simple epithelial tissue divided into three types: squamous epithelium, cuboidal epithelium and columnar epithelium. In simple squamous epithelium, it is made up of single thin layer of flattened cells. It is found in walls of blood vessels and air sacs of lungs, and function is involved in function like forming diffusion boundary. Next one is cuboidal epithelium, made of single thin layer of cube-like cells, found in ducts of glands and tubular parts of nephrons in kidneys. Main functions are secretion and absorption. Proximal Convoluted Tubule, that is PCT of nephron, is lined by simple cuboidal brush border epithelium having microvilli. These increase surface area for reabsorption. Next one is columnar epithelium. It is made of single layer of tall and slender cells. Their nuclei are located at the base. Free surface may have microvilli found in lining of stomach and intestine. They help in secretion and absorption. Ciliated epithelium. Columnar or cuboidal epithelium with cilia on their free surface. Their functions are to move particles or mucus in a specific direction over epithelium. Their locations are in the inner surface of hollow organs like bronchioles of lungs and fallopian tube of female reproductive tract. Next is glandular epithelium. Columnar or cuboidal epithelium specialized for secretion. These are further two types: unicellular glandular epithelium, example goblet cells of alimentary canal, that secrete mucus. Second is multicellular glandular epithelium. Example, salivary glands that secrete saliva. Junctions in epithelium. There are three types of junctions in epithelial tissue. First one is tight junctions. They help to stop substances from leaking across a tissue. Second is adhering junctions. They perform cementing to keep neighboring cells together. Next one is gap junctions. They facilitate cells to communicate with each other by connecting cytoplasm of adjoining cells for rapid transfer of ions, small molecules, and sometimes big molecules. Thanks for watching.